Well, here we are again. Another wonderful machine that's spoilt by just one component. The buttons for the tape deck are made of plastic, and rather than being triangular across there, they've made it so it's wasted and it will break in time because this goes into a piece of metal on the mechanism itself, and the pause button's gone fat. So I've had to put two steel rods in it. You could have used brass, but I happen to have some nails with the right diameter. Drilled it, two rods in there, piece of plastic card either side of it, and hopefully once it's all back on its spindle and the mechanism it should work. But I don't get all this planned obsolescence at all, you know, especially not with something that is, let's face it, quite expensive looking. It must have cost a good bit in its day, this thing, I would have thought. I'd be surprised if you got away with much less than a couple of £100, put it that way, or $300 and odd. Yeah, and they go and do a silly thing like that. The rest of it is beautifully made. It's really heavy metal stuff that the tape mechanism's made of, properly balanced flywheel on it, nice motor, full of discrete components. There aren't very many microchips in this old thing, I can assure you. Just looking around, there's one for the Dolby, another one over here on the radio board, another one there, and that's it. The rest of it is all discrete components. And the amplifier's got some poke behind it. Look at the size of this heatsink. Suitable for annoying the neighbours. Yes, marvellous stuff. Should be encouraged, especially when you've got some like the ones around here. But, dear, so now all I've got to do is put this thing back together again. It's a cow to get into, because they've made it in such a way it is very difficult indeed to dismantle. But at least if it is dismantled and fixed, it should, we hope, go for another few years yet. Anyway, see you soon.